Morning. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Our I Can for today says I can read various graphs and decide if my information is numerical, categorical, or a change over time. It sounds very challenging. It's not nearly as bad as it sounds. So let me give you an example of each type of data. We're going to talk about numerical. Excuse me. Categorical. Categorical means it falls into a category or a change over time. All right. Let's pretend I wanted to graph the number of jumping jacks you could do in 30 seconds. All right, it's something we could test. In fact, we're going to test it. You have 30 seconds. We see how many jumping jacks you can do. We're going to put your information on the chart. Now, we'll have people that do between 0 and 25 jumping jacks. We have people that will do between 25 and 35 jumping jacks. And then there will be a couple of you that can do 36 and higher. When I graph my data, if 2 people have done 0 to 25 jumping jacks, I can color in my bar graph, and that would show me that 2 people have done that many jumping jacks. Between 25 and 35, 4 people have done that many jumping jacks. So I color in the number of boxes to show that 4 people did that many jumping jacks. And then 36 plus, we have 2 superstars that were jumping jack champions of the world. And this is an example of graphing numerical data. We could be measuring someone's height. We could be measuring their weight. Any of these types of things where your answer is going to be a number. How many people did this? 2. How many people did this? 4. Our answers are numerical, so that makes this numerical data. Next, we're going to talk about categorical data. We could do a survey, and I could say, would you rather have vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry ice cream? And this would be your ice cream flavor. Well, if 3 people said they'd rather have vanilla, I have 3 under vanilla, and several people picked chocolate, and only 1 person picked strawberry. We have different categories that people fell into, and the most popular category is chocolate ice cream. Strawberry is less popular. Vanilla is kind of right in the middle. This is an example of categorical data. All of our data falls into a category. Now, lastly, we could talk about change over time. And here's my graph, and I'm going to be measuring Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is my time. See how I'm measuring this over a week? On Monday, I'm going to talk about how many kids did not do their homework. On Monday, only 1 kid did not do their homework. I'd say no homework. On Tuesday, we had 2 kids not do their homework. On Wednesday, we had 4 kids not do their homework. On Thursday, almost everybody did their homework because they were so excited for Friday. And on Friday, nobody missed their homework because everybody wanted to have a nice weekend. Now when I connect these points, it shows how my information changes over time. It started to increase, and then it decreased and decreased. And I have good reason for it. By the time it was Friday, people wanted to make sure their work was done and they could have a nice weekend. This shows a change over time. And we talk about our information increasing. Increasing means to go up, and decreasing. Decreasing means to go down. Other things that I might measure of change over time, I could measure the number of visitors in a week to the mall. I could measure the number of people that visit the zoo in 1 year. So you could imagine my graph, instead of saying the days of the week, it would say January, February, March, April, May, June. We could measure how tall you were from the time you were 3 to the time you were 8. That would show a change over time. As time went on, your height probably increased. All right, and this is what we're going to practice today. So use your notes as you need them, and have a great day practicing reading some graphs.